In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up $0 balances on your QuickBooks Accounts Receivable summary reports. If you're seeing customer balances that should already be cleared out, this process can help tidy things up by properly applying payments to open invoices. The goal is to make sure the customer record reflects what has actually been paid so your accounts receivable report is more accurate and easier to review. To get started, go to All Apps, then open the Customer Hub and choose Customers and Leads. This is where you can view your customer list and access the details tied to each account. Next, select the customer you want to work on. Once you open that customer profile, you'll be able to see their open balance along with a list of their transactions. This is a helpful place to confirm what's still showing as unpaid and identify the invoice or payment that needs to be matched up. Take a moment here to review the activity so you apply the payment to the correct transaction. After that, click the New Transaction button in the top right corner. From here, you have two possible starting points depending on what you see in the customer record. You can choose Payment to add a new payment, or if the invoice is already listed as open, you can simply select that open invoice from the transaction list. Now click Receive Payment. This takes you to the Receive Payment form, where you can enter the payment details if you're adding a payment manually. If a payment already exists in QuickBooks but hasn't yet been attached to the invoice, this is also the place where you can connect that existing payment to clean up the remaining balance. This step is especially important because a $0 balance issue often happens when the payment is in the system, but it hasn't been properly applied. Once you're on the form, apply the payment to the invoice. Be sure the correct invoice is selected and that the payment amount is matched appropriately. When the payment is applied correctly, the open balance should be cleaned up, and the customer's accounts receivable balance should reflect that update. And that's it. This is a simple but effective way to clear $0 balance issues and keep your QuickBooks receivables report organized. If you're doing this for multiple customers, just repeat the same process one customer at a time, so each payment is applied accurately.